YouTube, what's happening? What it is? What it do, man? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Money Make TV. It's your boy, Sneakerhead, B-Man, Money Man, all that good stuff. Hope every last one of y'all having a wonderful day today. And yes, sir, finally, after a long awaited time, fresh up out that box, your boy did finally get his size 10.5. Do you understand me? Woo, smells so good, man. I am so happy to get this, bro. Just wanted to share with y'all real quick. We'll be doing our own feet, all that good stuff. I'm actually at the mall. Just actually met, bro. He ordered a 10.5. I bought a 10 yesterday because I didn't have my 10.5. Hit him up, said, you trying to swap? He's like, yeah, man, I need that 10. I need the 10.5. We made it happen. You did. Yes, Foot Locker seat and all that good stuff. Where the top at, man? I'm so happy. I don't even know where the top at. Foot Locker receipt and all that good stuff. But yes, size 10.5. And jumping straight into these guys. We got that all white drill upper leather on these guys. Hence of that French blue on these guys, and hitting off with that gray accents as well. We got that holographic globe, that panther paw on that outsole. Yes, sir. ILD and sold. We got that French blue with hints of that university blue as well. On the guys, yes sir. Leave your thoughts, comment your opinions below. Let me know what this is a good pickup. Did you go out there? Was it harder than you thought? Let me know something, man. I'm very appreciative, man. Also, if you're still watching this video at this point, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. It's a quick video, man, just showing y'all what these look like. We'll definitely hit y'all with the on feet. Got lots of on feet on the way, man. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Like this video. Tell a friend about your boy. And other than that, man, it's been your boy, Sneakerhead Money Mitch. At the end of the day, like I always tell you, make sure every last one of y'all, you, even you in the back, make sure you always like what you rock, man. Woo! And rock what you like. I'm screaming cha-ching. Gang, gang. All out.
Chopper nigga, all case, all day, I grind hard to get it money, nigga, all day, you disrespect, I get wrong, nigga.